Good afternoon and welcome to your Power Hour update for Thursday, June 10th. I'm Richard Allen. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. In these videos, I want to cover all the news that you need before the market closes. So we're going to jump right over to TipRanks.com. Right now, we're going to cover the major indices. We have the S&P 500 up 0.7%, Dow Jones up 0.42%, NASDAQ up 0.96%. And CPI data came in today and was down a little bit from last month. But overall, we saw the consumer price index rise 5% year over year, which is the fastest pace we've seen since the summer of 2008. So those are troubling headlines. However, the major indices don't seem to be shocked too much by that data. Now let's move on to BTC. We have Bitcoin down 2.3% today after having an absolute tremendous day. When we did our Power Hour update yesterday, Bitcoin was up 13% on the day. So it's no surprise that Bitcoin is down a little bit. All right, we're going to cover Tesla, ExxonMobil, and Snapchat here in news. Let's jump over to Tesla. First, it says Tesla could be geared for upside. No, duh. Tesla stock has surged by 247% in the last year. However, in the past 6 months, the stock has been largely sideways, and that is true. I own some Tesla stocks, and has been trading sideways. After a correction from all-time highs of $900, Tesla stock seems to be in a zone of consolidation. But Cathie Wood has a crazy price target of $3,000 per share by 2025. Let's see what the analysts think of Tesla stock here. So Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, up 2.6% today, back over $600 after having a tough day yesterday. Tesla stock comes in with a hold rating based on 23 analyst ratings, with an average upside now of 4% over the next 12 months. But we have quite the disparity in price targets. Look at this. We have a low of $67, average of $640, and a high of $1,000 over the next 12 months. And I think this is probably more likely of $1,000 if the market turns around over the next 12 months and people start pouring money back into growth stocks. So just my opinion. All right, in the second bit of news, I want to cover ExxonMobil here real quick. And it's quite the difference between Tesla, right? Tesla is essentially trying to put ExxonMobil out of business. That's their ultimate goal, right? But ExxonMobil is discovering more oil offshore of Guyana, and ExxonMobil is up a tiny bit on that news, up 0.14% on the day, coming in with a moderate buy rating based on 15 analyst ratings with an average upside of about 8%. But again, quite the disparity in price targets here. We have a low of $55 and a high of $90 overall for ExxonMobil. But the oil stocks have fared a lot better than traditional growth stocks this year anyway. So all of that price target may be already priced in here with ExxonMobil. Now, news we're going to cover last is Snapchat. They are revamping their AR glasses, augmented reality glasses. They're trying for a second time. The last one didn't do so well. And if you're aware, Facebook actually bought Oculus not that long ago. So they're in the VR and AR game as well. But Snapchat is trying to do some crazy things with AR. And a lot of that is ad-based. So let's peek at how Snapchat is doing on the day. Pretty much flat, up 0.34%. But coming in with a moderate buy rating based on 27 analyst ratings with an average upside now of around 25%. But again, quite the disparity. A low of $42 and a high of $100 for Snapchat. Let me know down in the comments which one you think is more likely over the course of the next 12 months. Okay, I want to cover CPI data really quick. Again, consumer prices jumped 5% in May. That's a headline. That's overall over the last 12 months, okay? It actually rose by 0.6% in May versus 0.8% in April. All right. Lastly, let's cover the top gainers and top losers in the market. First, we're going to cover the top losers. Guys, your favorite meme stocks may be on this list. AMC was actually on here earlier, so it is recovering. But GameStop, number one on the biggest losers list, down 20% on the day. We have Clean Energy Fuels, ticker symbol CLNE, down 15% of the day. Celsius Holdings, down almost 15% of the day. Ticker symbol CELH there. Fuel Cell Energy, ticker symbol FCEL, down 11% on the day. And followed by CLOV, Clover Health Investments, ticker symbol CLOV, falling an additional 10% after quite the rise a couple days ago there for Clover. All right, we're going to cover the top gainers here real quick. Number 5 on the list, Signet Jewelers, ticker symbol SIG, up 11% on the day. We have Community Health, ticker symbol CYH, up almost 10% on the day. In the third spot, Iovance Biotherapeutics. It's been on the list a couple times in the last few weeks. Ticker symbol IOVA, up 11% on the day. And in the second spot, we have Embraer SA, ticker symbol ERJ, up almost 15% on the day. And then in the number 1 spot, top gainers on the list today is Restoration Hardware. Beautiful, beautiful stores. If you haven't been in one, they're fantastic. Crazy prices on their furniture, but beautiful stores. Ticker symbol RH for Restoration Hardware, up almost 15% on the day. I believe at one point when I was looking, they were up like 20% on the day. So, guys, that is all I have for you for your Power Hour update for Thursday, June 10th. Thank you so much for joining me for another video. Seriously, I appreciate each and every single one of you guys. If you haven't subscribed to the channel already, please do so. I post here every Monday through Friday at 3 p.m. Eastern Standard Time to get you all the news you need before the market closes. And then Julie posts here a couple times a day as well, both stock market news as well as your pre-market morning updates, so you can have all the information you need before the market opens. Guys, thank you so much. Tomorrow's Friday. I'll see you at 3 p.m. Eastern. Thanks.